In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate QuickBooks and generate a customized employee report. Let's get started by accessing the QuickBooks platform. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to the QuickBooks homepage. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials. Ensuring you're on the right platform is crucial, so make sure to verify that before proceeding. Once you're on the QuickBooks dashboard, your next move is to locate and click on the Employees tab. This tab might be nestled among other options like Dashboard or Customers, so keep an eye out for it. Clicking on Employees will bring up a list of all the employees linked to your QuickBooks account, which is an important starting point for managing payroll and HR tasks. Now that you see the list of employees, you want to select the specific employee whose report you'd like to view. Click on the employee's name or email. This action will take you to the employee's profile page, where you can view detailed information and manage their records. It's always a good practice to double-check that you're accessing the right employee's profile to avoid any potential mix-ups. Once you're on the employee's profile page, direct your attention to the Actions button. Clicking on Actions will give you a drop-down menu with several options. This menu is a handy tool for executing various tasks quickly. From this list, select Run Report. This choice is key for generating employee-specific reports that provide insights into their activity. After choosing to run a report, you'll be prompted to select the date range and time period for the report. Take a moment here to set your desired date and time. This flexibility allows you to tailor the report to your specific needs, whether you're looking at a specific month, week, or a custom date range. Setting the date and time accurately ensures that the data you obtain is relevant and current. As you refine your report, you'll have the opportunity to customize it further to match your preferences. Once you've adjusted all the necessary settings, click on Save Customization. This option helps you preserve the custom settings, so if you need similar reports in the future, you won't have to start from scratch. It's a time saver and helps maintain consistency across your reporting. Finally, complete the process by clicking Save. This step ensures that all the changes and customizations are securely stored in QuickBooks. It's a straightforward but crucial action that confirms your work is not lost. Saving regularly can safeguard your data integrity and save you from potential headaches down the road. And that's it. You've successfully navigated QuickBooks, accessed employee information, and generated a customized report. Just remember that practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore these features regularly to become even more proficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.